Would you like to have a system that lets you publish content every day on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram with zero video shooting and zero editing? Moreover, this system thinks up the content for you. It creates the visuals itself, automatically edits the videos, does the sound design, and then shares everything on all platforms by itself. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But it's real. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a viral content factory that works around the clock with zero coding knowledge. All you do is enter a category name and some brands, like a fitness brand, a tech product, or luxury watches. And the system produces trending content. It creates hyper-realistic visuals. It automatically edits the video and generates a voiceover for it. And it automatically shares the content on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Now grab your coffee, because in a moment, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful automations I've ever built. Let's get started. This is what the system looks like. Don't let it intimidate you. It might look complicated, but it's all nodes connected to each other with drag and drop, and I'll explain what each one does, one by one. So, by the end of the video, in this tutorial, you'll have learned step by step how this system works. But at the same time, you can also download this system as a file and then upload it here to have a fully prepared and ready-made setup. Now, the first point is the trigger. All training workflows start with a trigger. The reason for this is that it needs a trigger. This could be a message, or it could be a timer. As in this example, it runs at specific time intervals, like once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, and so on. Or you could send an email, an event occurs, and it can develop based on that. There are many triggers with different features. Here too, everything starts with a trigger. After that, we have our Google Sheets node. We get the information from our Google Sheets node. We obtain the information about what we are going to do. After getting this information, we give the outputs to the AI. It then creates our prompts for us. We send the visual prompts to FluxVone Ultra via Folio. There, the visuals are generated and we retrieve them. After retrieving them, it moves on to the video part. The video is created and we obtain the video. After that, we go and extract images from the video we obtained. After getting the images, we send another request to Folio, but this time we send them to Kling along with the images and our prompts. After creating videos here, we generate an audio track for them using 11 Labs. Then we combine everything together. After that, we automatically share them on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Now, let's do it together. First, it will start with this trigger, but we need to set our next target from Google Sheets. Let's say this one is burger shops, for example. The first one can be the classic McDonald's, and the second one can be Burger King. For the third, I'll say Five Guys. That's my favorite. And for the fourth, let's say Carl's Jr. I don't know if Carl's Jr. is still around in Turkey or if it's still operating. And when we click Start, the system will automatically fetch these. Since it's in the To-Do section, it will only take those with this attribute, meaning only the items in this row. Let me show you right away. Burger shops, McDonald's, Burger King, Five Guys, Carl's Jr.'s, To Do. Here they are. We've separated them. Then, with Split Alt, we turn them into 4 individual items, one by one. They were all in a single format. We separated them, and now there are 4 items. This way, GPT can write prompts for each one individually. You can see it here. This part is dynamic. It comes in dynamically. So right now, since we wrote McDonald's here, McDonald's appears. Our prompts have been written here as image prompt, video prompt, and audio prompt. By the way, let me show you something. Our visuals are also being generated right now, but let me show you the prompt. Imagine famous brands as small and visually satisfying buildings. You are a multimodal creative artificial intelligence. Turn these brands into small buildings. I have a very detailed prompt like this. With prompts like this, you can get great results. Whenever you want, you can pause or slow down this video and save this for your own use. As you can see, this is my prompt, and this is what comes out of it. All right, as I said, after it's done, by the way, our video has already started to be generated. It's going to Folio. We're using FluxVone Ultra through Folio. Here we have our header. If you enter authorization in the header, and here, type key, followed by a space and your API key that you got from Folio, you can use it. This way, Folio understands that you want to connect. It comes in like this below. JSON, our prompt comes here. Again, it's dynamic. You can drag and drop it here from over there. Our aspect ratio is 9:16 because we're making reels and creating them in vertical format. Then we wait for 12 seconds. This is a wait node. After that, we check the status. Again, we connect to Folio and ask it to tell us whether it worked or not. If it worked, we continue. If it didn't, we wait another 3 seconds. This is an if node. The reason we add the if node is that if we proceed without waiting, without it being ready, the images won't come through. We'd waste credits for nothing. We might get an empty or incomplete image. we'd end up spending money on a video with a missing image. That would be a huge loss for us. We don't want that. We want the automation to continue only when everything is ready. So we've set up this kind of control mechanism. After that, we retrieve the images. After getting the images, we fetch them again using an HTTP request get. First, there's the HTTP request post. That's how we connect. And then we fetch with get. We send the request there. Then we fetch the results. Here, for example, it's arrived. It must be McDonald's. Yes, McDonald's looks really, really nice. It's honestly very cute. It looks great, very cheap. This visual, I really like it. These are truly visually appealing images. Let's look at one more. Come on. From here, Carl's Jr. They've put it star on really nicely too. Very nice. I honestly loved it. All right, it's clear the video is going to be good. And by the way, it turns out great every time. And with this, you can create different visuals, different models, different concepts. Just imagine what workflow can do, then shape it accordingly. Then here is the same again. These are repeat nodes and I won't explain them, but in the same way, we send a request using the post method, just like before. This time we're sending it to Kling, to 1.6 Pro. Again, it's the same header, only the body is different here, as you can see. We send the prompt and also the pro. The video prompt is sent here. And also the image URL, we send the image we just looked at so that it can take the photo and according to the prompt, turn that photo into a video. Then again, we'll check the status of the video. If it's done, we'll continue. If not, we'll wait another 30 seconds and check again. After that, we connect to 11 Labs. You can also connect to 11 Labs in the same way, using your API key. The prompt is like this anyway, and the audio prompt also comes as an output from our first agent. We specify 5 seconds, because we're creating 5-second videos. So the audio should also be 5 seconds. Then we save this to Drive, because on 11 Labs, the audio files disappear right away. After that, share Filezo here. We set the sharing permission for the file we saved to Drive. Let me show you this as well. We used upload, and here we used file share. Since we already uploaded it here, its ID is also clear. Then we combine all of these, the audio we uploaded to Drive, and the video. By pulling the information this way in Blau, we send it. We send it to Create OMate. This is Create OMate. In Create OMate, we have a ready-made template, just like you can see here. From here, under API integration, you can get the template ID. Like this, you need this template ID because you'll use it. As you can see, you use it here. Your template looks like this. You send a request here so that the audio and videos are merged and rendered. After it's rendered, we take it. We wait 60 seconds here as well and then download it. By the way, the video is done. It just doesn't have audio. That's why I'll wait too. I want the audio to come in as well so we can watch the final version. So after it's rendered, we'll go and get it and download the file. We've sent it for rendering. As you can see, it's sitting here as planned. It's scheduled. After 60 seconds, you can already see the video URL appears here with the get method, and you can see it. We'll fetch it from here. So while creating it, it already gives you the URL. After fetching it, I didn't connect it here to our Google Sheets in order to stop sharing. We set it up so that it marks it as done when it's finished. After that, we connect to Blow-A-Toto. With Blow-A-Toto, we share it across all platforms like this. You can see it like this. I'm not connecting Blow-A-Toto because I don't want to share it. It's also a place I actively use. But I had previously made a video about Blow-A-Toto. That video was about sharing on 9 different platforms. I'm leaving it up above. You can go watch it or browse the channel. In that video, I show exactly how to share on other platforms. It allows you to share automatically on 9 different platforms. Because, for example, connecting to Instagram is difficult. You need to use the Graph API. It's a platform where Meta makes things a bit more complicated. With TikTok, again, you have to do it with a different system. YouTube is also different in the same way. Instead, you just send it to Blow-A-Toto as a single platform. It automatically shares it on all platforms. You don't get a headache at all. And the fee is really minimal. Honestly, it's worth it. Now our video is here. Let's watch it together. Onion rings. Five Guys is good too. I did fries there. Oh, yes. Carl's Jr.'s turned out really cute, honestly.
Yeah.
You can extend this video concept like this. You can change the template, add other things in between, or make transitions. It's completely up to you though. Even if you just post this automatically like this, you can start making money instantly, with content that will go viral right away. As I said, this trend will probably continue at this pace for another 3 or 4 weeks. I would say start generating images, produce them, and start sharing automatically. Because whether your channel is a YouTube channel or a TikTok, you can earn really good money. On Instagram, as your views increase, you can also get collaborations. These go viral there as well. It's just that you can't make money directly from Instagram. That's the situation. So there's no direct way to earn money based on views. It's very low, in fact. As I said, it basically doesn't exist. That's why you can take these and directly grow your channels, gain subscribers, and you can make a lot of money. You really can make a lot of money. I'm talking about some crazy amounts here. Earning this kind of money just by uploading videos with automation making $2,000 or $3,000 a month is honestly really strange. Such a great system is already working for you. It puts $2,000 or $3,000 right into your pocket. Think of it that way. So there's no reason not to use it. Everyone needs passive income right now. So you can use artificial intelligence to grow your channel like this, earn passive income, or even turn it into a business by running multiple channels in different concepts to increase your earnings. In fact, there are people who join our trainings for exactly this purpose. That's why I know, and it's really effective right now. So don't underestimate it or think, can it really be this easy? Yes, sometimes things really are this easy. What matters is that it's original. Make sure the content is high quality like this. I hope you liked the video. I explained it quickly, we started together, and as it progressed, we also moved forward on the notes. Actually, I explained the whole system to you, and I showed you these parts as well. As I said, you can watch these connection parts in the video. The ways of working with artificial intelligence, making money, and working in general, everything is changing. This is just one example of that. It's actually so difficult to create this kind of content manually. Things that were impossible a year ago, 6 months ago, or even 3 months ago, we can now have AI do them very quickly and automatically. It's now our employee. Don't hesitate to use it as well, make money, earn income, and realize your own dreams. Thank you for watching. See you very soon in the next video, as always.